कैमरा बात करो
वो एक सेकंड ना पानी के ऊपर से
चालू થઈ ગયું Go ahead.
Welcome to Jayshree's kitchen, and today I'm going to show you spicy oatmeal. So this is a steel cut oats, and they are very healthy and nutritious. This is one of the favorite recipe of our family. We have eaten in the past, and we still eat, and sometimes we eat for lunch, sometimes we eat for dinner, even for breakfast, and it keeps us full whole day. So it's very nutritious and very healthy. These are steel cut oats. These are steel cut oats. And I soaked it 6 to 8 hours. You can soak it overnight. That's what I do. I just soak it at night. So it's right here. This is soaked one. And this is onion, celery. I took it 1 cup onion and 1 cup celery. And there is a whole cumin. And this one is crushed cumin. This is roasted. We usually roast the cumin in a batch and keep it in our container. But if you don't have a roasted one, you are fine. You can use a regular one. This is paprika. I'm using 1 tablespoon. Cumin was half tablespoon. And turmeric is half teaspoon. So these are my ingredients. I am going to saute onion and celery. So, and I'm using vegetable broth for sauteing. And I'm using flaxseed for garnishing. So I'm going to start. I'm going to crackle the, I'm going to put on saute button on my Instant Pot. So what I'm doing is, I'm crackling the cumin. I put the whole cumin. So you can see it's going to crackle. So we have to wait for a couple minutes. And once it crackles, I am going to put onion and celery. This is on saute button. This is.
Look at the screen.
It's going to crackle. Just waiting for it to crackle. Until then, I am really using light salt because I'm thinking like a lot of people really cannot eat without salt. So I'm using like a Morton light salt, which is 50% less sodium. So you guys can use it according to your taste and try to use minimum if you can. And if you have any health problems like high blood pressure, don't use it at all. So this is the Morton light salt. Okay, so now I'm going to put doing for 5 minutes all together. Onion and celery both together. So I will be sauteing for 5 minutes. So, this recipe, what I do in a batch. So kind of a really even 1 cup of oatmeal. When you soak it, it becomes almost double. So you can see, and when you cook it, it's really more even. So what I do while it's sauteing, I can show you. I usually put it in 1 cup containers for us, or 2 cups if you really. So I just store it in the container, keep it in the refrigerator for a whole week, and I take it out, and then I warm it up nicely on the stove or in instant pot in the steam mode. And then I garnish with flaxseed and paprika. So usually I don't put flaxseed in all the whole thing. I put it in individual. So, and you can keep it for a week. It really stays good for 5 to 7 days. And it's so easy in the morning. You just take out 1 container and you really can just, your breakfast is ready and to go. So it looks like I might not need vegetable broth because celery is moist. So unless I need it, I will put it. Otherwise, I don't put it, the veggie broth. I think when you saute well, all the flavor comes out of the onion and celery, and it tastes better. So another thing, so now I'm putting jalapenos, and I'm putting 1 tablespoon of paprika, and I put jalapenos already, and I'm adding turmeric, I'm adding cumin, and I'm adding vegetable broth because it's getting dry out, and I'm sauteing that. So I did use the vegetable broth. So I put jalapenos, turmeric, and paprika, and cumin, the crushed cumin. Now I'm going to put my oats. It's right here. And I'm putting my water, which is 5 cups. This is a 5 cups of water. And now I'm going to close my Instant Pot. So I'm closing my Instant Pot and I'm putting on manual. I'm putting on manual for 20 minutes. It's on high. You can see the high pressure. And in this one, I have pressure cook button. So it is on 20 minutes. So it's cooking right now. And I already made it. So we don't have to wait to be done. So I'm going to show you I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is the way it's going to look like. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little flaxseed. I'm going to sprinkle it. And I'm going to put little paprika. This, if you like the heat, you can put more. If you like less, you can put less. You can reduce, the amount of paprika in the cooking. If you really cannot handle the spicy things, you can reduce the jalapeno if you need to. But this is my spicy oatmeal recipe. It's very simple. It's very mouth-watering. It's a wholesome recipe. And it's delicious and it's extremely healthy. There is no oil. There is no sugar. I put a little bit salt and that's all. Thank you so much. Thank you.